Hello and welcome to this lightning announcement. We are thrilled to share some exciting news with all of you. PropTechBuzz and Maxpo are joining forces to bring you the Future PropTech Miami, a premium PropTech conference taking place this coming May in Miami. I'm Ravi, founder and CEO of PropTechBuzz, and I'm joined by Nasir Hussain, director from Maxpo Exhibitions. Nasir, how's it going?
Yeah, thank you, Ravi. Hello, everyone. It's going great, and we are pretty much excited to bring this exciting news to our audience, to our community in PropTech.
So, Nasir, we are here to announce the launch of Future PropTech Miami on May 2026. Why don't you tell us everything about this conference?
Well, yes, this is a global conference, Future PropTech Miami. It would be a premier platform, I would say, for everybody who's in the PropTech industry, whether it's the operators, whether it's a developer, whether it's a tech company or investor, startups, everybody. It's going to be an amazing platform, and we have chosen deliberately Miami as a location. And since what's happening in Miami, so we believe this would be an amazing platform because we recently concluded one event for Future PropTech Summit in Dubai, which was quite successful, and it garnered an overwhelming response, I would say. So amazing conversations happened, business deals happened, and everybody liked the platform. And now we're taking it to Miami.
So, Nasir, we are here to announce the launch of Future PropTech Miami on May 2026. Why don't you tell us everything about this conference?
Well, yes, it's an exciting news that we want to bring to the audience. And so we have chosen Miami, and it is going to be a premier platform, I would say, in the Americas, where real estate visionaries, technology innovators, investors, policymakers, developers, even the operators. We see that operators, have more assets, and they are in abundance, and there are large companies from the operator segment as well. Then, of course, the PropTech companies, startups. So it's going to be an amazing platform for everybody who is part of the industry. So Miami, as you all know, is a rising hub when it comes to real estate, property investment, and innovation.
Excellent, Nasir. Why don't you talk explicitly about who this conference is for?
Well, yes, as I mentioned, it is going to be an amazing platform for everybody who's involved in the PropTech. I would say real estate operators, multifamily, residential, commercial, student housing, etc. Then, of course, real estate developers who play a major role there, real estate investment trusts, investors, the VCs, private equity, and all other investment houses besides the large chunk of companies from PropTech like startups, technology providers, AI, IoT, fractional ownership, blockchain, tokenization. And of course, the conference is going to host quite a number of policymakers, smart city and sustainability experts. So it's going to be an exciting platform, as we just concluded one in Dubai, which garnered tremendous response. So this is again going to be an amazing event to be part of.
Yes, I was there at the Dubai event, and that's where we met and we formed this collaboration for Miami. Yes, it was a fantastic event. What an amazing conference. What led you to think of Miami as the next destination?
So see, Ravi, Miami is more than beautiful beaches and vibrant nightlife. It's basically where the future of urban living is being tested, challenged, and redefined. So if you look closely, Miami is on the front line. It's not just about, we are talking about just smart homes. So we are here talking about building smart, resilient cities. And our vision with Future PropTech Miami is simple. So Future PropTech Miami will be the birthplace of technologies and solutions that define basically how cities adapt in the era of rising seas, stronger storms, demographic shifts, and rapid global change. And moving from Dubai to Miami is of course a powerful statement. And this is about future proofing the very concept of a city. It's about creating a global community, not just changing geography, right? So, see, if you talk about Miami as a destination, so it's basically a real world testing ground. So, South Florida's real estate market is a microcosm of global trends. So, for example, we talk about luxury condos, soaring luxury condos. We talk about climate resilient infrastructure needs in Miami because of the coastal line, right? So it's nearby sea. So we talk about Miami, then we talk about massive hospitality sector they have. So when we talk about Miami, or when we talk about any other real estate market, there is volatility in the insurance market. So all these basically offer an amazing opportunity for every niche. Then capital meets demand. So it's basically a corridor between North American capital and Latin American, growth, basically. So that's where Miami acts as a bridge. Then, if you talk about the other factors, like, for example, some major investment firms, Blackstone, Citadel, so they have operations in Miami. So then there are hundreds of tech entrepreneurs who have relocated to Miami and are operating from Miami. So that again gives this market as positions this market as a good mixture wherein finance and tech are readily available for everybody. So, besides, if we talk about Dubai and the relation between Dubai and Miami, so both these are share similar DNA. So Dubai and Miami, they share similar DNA: fast growing, ambitious, innovation driven cities. So this makes the move all the more seamless and strategic. And with this, we are actually building a community. It's not just that we are changing location from Dubai to Miami. We are building a community, a global PropTech community. That's the reason we have joined hands with PropTechBuzz. So we believe that you have a community already, so you engage with that, and that's where our joint forces can add more value and make this even more larger and bolder, and of course more I would say more of a platform wherein everybody sees there are opportunities for them.
Excellent, Nasir. And I have known Maxpo for a few years now, and Maxpo has been a veteran when it comes to organizing expos and conferences across multiple countries for over 20 long years. Now, what can they expect to see in the Miami conference?
See, the Miami conference, as we just concluded one conference already in Dubai. So that was last month, and it was quite successful. Everybody, I would say, appreciated the concept. Everybody liked the platform. There was tremendous I would say a lot of business deals that happened on site. So we had companies from tokenization, we had companies from blockchain, we had companies from AR, VR, IoT, even the builders, developers were there. So now what people can expect at Future PropTech Miami is a bigger event. So we're talking about here like 4,000 plus business attendees. Then, of course, 60 plus global speakers, though I'm just giving you some smaller numbers. So it's going to be more than that: 70 plus visionary speakers, industry experts, policymakers, all convening and sharing stage. There are going to be interesting and insightful panel discussions. So panel discussions are quite interactive. People love attending and taking part in those panel discussions. So then if we talk about the exhibition point of view, there are going to be companies showcasing innovative solutions, showcasing what is new in PropTech, showcasing basically the real world solutions that are needed, because we're not talking about theoretical solutions right now. That era is gone. Now is the need for future ready and implementation ready solutions, and we believe that's where the exhibition will be quite important. with the offerings from the exhibitors, from blockchain, tokenization, from AR, VR, IoT, AI, everything, even the property management tools, affordability tech, everything that is required to make PropTech successful. And besides, this event is going to offer different I would say features. So because we have introduced the pitches for startups. So we have a hosted buyer program. There are going to be one-on-one meetings with the qualified buyers, and of course, pretty much excited about this Future PropTech Miami Awards. So why don't you tell us about Future PropTech Miami Awards more?
Excellent, Nasir. Yes, definitely. I'm most excited about this one. For the last 2 years, PropTechBuzz digital platform has hosted over 2,000 top PropTech products across 20 different categories, ranging from multifamily to commercial real estate and so on. However, for the first time now, PropTechBuzz and Maxpo will host this annual PropTech Awards across these 20 different categories. And all these products are going to be showcased on PropTechBuzz platform, where the jury can vote and interact with the participants. And all the winners will be announced at the venue. There are attractive awards for them. And I'm most excited about this feature or this section of this entire conference, Nasir.
That's great. And in fact, there's another thing that I wanted to talk to you about. And in fact, ask you about that is the Future PropTech Miami community. So if you can maybe elaborate more on that.
Sure. So as I said, PropTechBuzz has been in existence for the past 2 years. We are not just a web platform; we are also an app platform where most of our audience. It's a global platform, just like LinkedIn is, but mainly for B2B real estate. However, most of our audience, close to 70% of our audience, is US. And as a result, we also thought that before we start this conference, we unlock the community first, where we can start sharing everything that is happening towards leading to this conference. So all the speakers that we are finalizing, all the attendees that we are finalizing, the booth that we'll be having, the sponsors that we'll be having, we'll be sharing every bit of news on our community. And this is where all the participants can engage amongst themselves way before the event starts. And that has been our intent for it, and we are mighty excited about it. So for those of you who have not yet joined the community, you can install PropTechBuzz app both on the App Store and Play Store. You can go to them and just type PropTechBuzz, PropTechBuzz, and once you log in, you will find this community right at the top, which is pinned. And then you join the community, and you will be able to get all the notifications, and you can engage. There is also an exciting chat room there to chat amongst the participants and the attendees. So I'm quite excited about that as well, Nasir.
Great. So I think this is going to be an amazing collaboration, I would say, with
Excellent.
you joining us and we joining hands with you, and that's the reason we invite everybody to be part of this movement, rather, that is shaping how and where the world will live next, considering all the challenges that are there presently. And this summits like these, events like these, they basically bring solutions, real life solutions, right? And that's the reason we are asking attendees to encouraging them to be part of this movement and have the global visibility and be where they have to be, because this is the platform where the company has to be.
Excellent,
So
Nasir. Now that we have wrapped up the entire session, why don't you give us a quick call to action for all the listeners who are listening to us today?
all right. Yes, absolutely. So we are pretty much excited to be engaging with interested parties, interested companies, whether it's anybody from the industry. So all they need to do is they need to write an email to us, nasir.hussain, that's on the screen, at maxpoexhibitions.com, or they can reach out to Ravi at proptechbuzz.com. And there is official email address wherein they can drop in queries. That's info@futureproptechmiami.com, and they can register on the website, so which is futureproptechmiami.com.
Excellent. Well, this brings us to the end of this exciting short webinar on what Future PropTech Miami brings to the fore. I'm looking forward to having you all in the conference. See you around.
Pretty
Bye-bye.
much looking forward to it. Thank you so much, Ravi, for having me join this webinar, and we look forward to working together again and collaborating and making this quite a success. Thank you.
Thank you.